Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a powerful list of 10 surprisingly simple Nigerian businesses that are ranking in huge profit. And guess what? None of these are online or digital. These are physical, practical businesses that you can start and scale in Nigeria. Your location doesn't matter, whether you're in Lagos, Enugu, Port Harcourt, or Kano State. There is something here for you. We are talking real businesses, the kind that you see every day but may have overlooked. Get ready for eye-opening facts, real-life numbers, and untapped opportunities. If you're new on this channel, I'm Jude Anyanwu. You are welcome, and if you're a returning viewer, welcome back. What we do on this channel is to help small business owners and startups succeed in business and to make reviews for business models and give you honest opinions about them to help you get clarity before jumping in. If this sounds like something you've been looking for, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more business insights. You can also use the WhatsApp link on the channel description to join our community so we can guide you through your business journey and answer your most relevant questions. All these are done for free. You are welcome. The first business here is tricycle hire purchase, popularly called Keke Napep. You don't need to ride it, just invest in it. Tricycles are the kings of short-distance transport in Nigeria. With the hire purchase model, you give keke to a trusted rider. They pay you weekly until the tricycle is fully paid for, and after that, it's all profit. Some people locally call it balance and carry. I've heard people complain that the business is just to enrich the riders, but it's not true. Reasons being that after making my findings, I discovered a lot of people don't give it out on hire purchase. They only give it out just to be getting returns. Secondly, most of them don't sign concrete agreements. And lastly, they don't place any form of security on the tricycle. And as a result of this, gives room for flimsy excuses from riders. Number 2 is egg supply business. You don't need a farm to do this business. Just become a middleman between farms and local stores, hotels, or restaurants. Buy crates in bulk and supply to businesses daily or weekly. It's high demand, profitable, and fast moving. This business works because there's constant demand, low spoilage if sold quickly, and it's a daily cash business. 3. Car wash with extra services. Car wash businesses make more when they add extras like interior cleaning, engine wash, and car detailing. You can go as far as adding care routine center to it. Even a small roadside space with buckets and manpower can earn you 5,000 naira to 20,000 naira daily. You add ons for more profit, say snacks and drinks or free Wi-Fi for waiting customers. This could be a cheap and clever trick to retain customers. The fourth business is laundry services from home. Forget dry cleaners with shops. Home-based laundry is booming. Offer pickup and delivery laundry services for students, bachelors, and workers around your area. At number 5 is pure water distribution. You don't need to own a factory to start this business. All you just need is to become a pure water distributor. Buy directly from factories in bulk, supply to stores, events, offices, and household. The 6th surprisingly simple Nigerian businesses that are making huge profits are palm oil storage and resale. Palm oil is good not just in color but in profit. Most people don't know that palm oil prices skyrocket during off-seasons. Smart business owners buy in bulk when prices drop, store in clean containers or tanks, and resell for 40 to 100% profits. This business works because high demand across Nigeria and abroad. Palm oil doesn't spoil easily when well stored. It requires low daily effort after the bulk buying. 7. Pure water production. Nigerians drink over 60 million sachets of water every single day. It's basic, it's essential, and the demand will never run dry. The things you need are factory space, NAFDAC registration, water filtration machines, heat sealing machines, generator, packaging material, and a small distribution van. To start this business, you might need startup capital of about 5 million naira and above. Important thing you need to know is to start small with manual sealing and expand gradually. Focus on hygiene and branding. It builds trust and market retention. Many producers make more by supplying events, wholesalers, and small towns where competitors are low. The number 8 business is Garri processing and sales. Garri is Nigeria's most consumed food staple. And it's not just for survival, it's big business. What you need is access to cassava, peeling machine, grater, fryer, presser, labor if large scale, and packaging. Use branded packaging to attract urban markets and stores. Garri in clean, well-sealed packaging sells faster in cities. The hidden secret is that exporters are buying well-packaged garri to send abroad. You can tap into that market without leaving Nigeria. 9. Goat rearing and sales. Nigerians love goat meat, not just for pepper soup. Goat is premium, profitable, and less risky than poultry. What you need is small goat pen or open land. Start with 5 to 10 goats. Breed during off-seasons and sell close to festive seasons like Eid, Christmas, or weddings. A healthy nanny goat can give birth twice a year, and one goat can multiply into a herd if you think long-term. The 10th business is vegetable farming, popularly called ugu, waterleaf, efo, etc. Do you know that vegetable farmers are making cool money from just half a plot of land? Leafy vegetables are good in the local markets. What you need is good soil, water supply, basic tools, seeds, and manure. Supply directly to restaurants and caterers. Urban prices are always higher than local markets. The hidden secret you might not know is that hydroponic vegetable farming is on the rise. Water-based farming with higher yields and lower land use. Always remember that before you venture into any business, it is very important that you make your own thorough market research to understand how the business works. Mind you, you also need to ask questions where necessary so that you don't make costly mistakes that you may never survive. You see, profitable business in Nigeria doesn't have to be complicated. These are simple businesses that have stood the test of time. No need for fancy gadget or digital marketing to begin. Just start planning, consistency, and pay attention to quality. Which of these businesses caught your attention the most? Drop it in the comments. And don't just watch, start small, start smart, and grow. If you need my intellectual support about business, kindly use the WhatsApp link on the description of this channel to join my community. I will answer your questions accordingly. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your bell notification icon so you don't miss our next videos where we'll show you more business models review. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.